Today I'm making a simple but beautiful emulsified water-based hair conditioner using ingredients that are easy to find online. Before starting, I'm sterilising all my tools, jugs and surfaces with 99% isopropyl alcohol. For wonderful hair conditioning, it's important to include cationic ingredients, and here I'm using BTMS 25 as my cationic emulsifier and polyquaternium 7, which is a cationic copolymer that helps with detangling. The other ingredients I'll be using to make my emulsion are distilled water, glycerin, camellia oil, cocamide propyl betaine and cetyl alcohol. The conditioner is made in 3 phases. First, I'm preparing the water phase. The water makes up the biggest percentage of the conditioner. To this, I'm adding much smaller percentages of glycerin, polyquaternium 7 and cocamide propyl betaine. The glycerin is for its moisturising properties and the cocamide propyl betaine is to help wash the conditioner out after it's done its thing. After that, into a separate jug, I add camellia oil, BTMS 25 and cetyl alcohol, which acts as a co-emulsifier with the BTMS to help keep the emulsion stable. With these 2 phases weighed out, my next step is to place them in a water bath or double boiler and place them together on a low heat for the oil ingredients to melt and the water phase to reach the same temperature as the fatty ingredients. This is so they don't harden immediately on contact with the water. Oops, forgot to put some foil on top of my water jug to prevent evaporation. While those ingredients are on the hob, I'm weighing out my heat-sensitive ingredients to add later: fragrance oil and preservative. Cyclomethicone evaporates very quickly, so I'll add that at the last possible moment. Now my emulsifiers have melted, I'm combining these with the water phase and giving them a thorough blend on the highest setting. It's too hot to add the remaining ingredients yet, so now I have to wait for my emulsion to cool down. Coming back to give it a stir from time to time and check whether it's cool enough yet to add the cool down phase ingredients. It's taken about 40 minutes for this to cool to a point where I can add the rest of the ingredients. Before adding, I'm just weighing out the cyclomethicone into the fragrance and preservative. Cyclomethicone is very slippy and it acts to help spread the conditioner evenly throughout hair. I quickly pop those into the emulsion, give it a quick stir and a blast with a blender to get it all thoroughly mixed in. That's left now is to bottle it. I'm just using an old conditioner bottle that I've cleaned and sterilised with alcohol and getting it into the bottle with a funnel. It's thick rather than runny, so it takes some coaxing. I find banging the bottle and funnel down, up and down repeatedly, helps it on its way. Now all that's left is to leave it to cool completely and it's ready to use. Okay, time to clear up the mess I've made, then spy on my new neighbour. See you later, or soon with you, my new neighbour. Cheerio!